Hey Plant Pals, Mike here, the gardener, and I'm just going to show very briefly my orange hat tomato plant that's growing in this, I don't even know how to pronounce this unit here. Uh, the tomatoes are ripe enough to pick, and they're quite tasty. Yeah, and then there's a whole cluster. There's some under here I can pick. There's a whole cluster here. And then we got new flowers and more will be growing. And we got some green ones here too. So, yeah, it's just fun. It's a fun little thing. It's sitting right next to my sofa. And I can have something to look at. And then next to that is my sprout that has this very woody looking basil because it's quite, I've been harvesting off of it for few months now, several months, and it gives me tons and tons of basil. And so it's kind of got the woodier stem there, and these are just two cuttings that may or may not root. I just did it for fun. That came off of this. And the other tomatoes that were there, they were past their expiration, and I harvested the seeds off of that. And if I want, I can grow new plants. Yeah, just thought it was just a quick video just to show these little guys here. They're very tasty and very easy to grow. And if you have a short unit, this thing is only like maybe 10 inches tall or something like that. Yeah, maybe 11 inches because it's a little bit taller than the sprout next to it. So yeah, it's just a fun little thing I tried. There's no actual soil in here. This is perlite, vermiculite, and cocoa coir. I cover it with the foil just to keep the light off of it in case it does get moist and keep the fungus gnats and stuff away. But you could grow any plant in here because what it has is it has a reservoir that I put hydroponic plant food solution in, or you could just do water. And if you wanted to, you could do soil in here, but I just chose not to. So yeah, you know, I'm not recommending the unit. I'm not bashing the unit. I got it very, very cheap. It was like, I don't know, $14, something like that. The light works fine. It's not the best of lights, but it's got all kinds of features that I don't use, like Bluetooth. It's got a Bluetooth speaker and a clock and all that stuff, but I don't really use any of that stuff, so. But it does like tell me the temperature of it's not that hot in the house. It's not 79 degrees in here, but it is internally, I guess, from its own light or whatever. But yeah, anyway, just a quick video. Just a quick update. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day.